Growing grapevines is a rewarding and enjoyable endeavor that allows you to savor the delicious fruit of your labor. Whether you're a wine enthusiast or simply love fresh, homegrown grapes, this comprehensive guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of planting and caring for grapevines. From selecting the right varieties to nurturing their growth, get ready to embark on a fruitful journey of vineyard gardening. 1. Selecting the perfect site. Explore the essential factors to consider when choosing the ideal location for your grapevines. From sunlight exposure and soil type to drainage and wind protection, a well-chosen site sets the foundation for a successful vineyard. 2. Choosing grape varieties. Discover the diverse world of grape varieties and select the ones that best suit your climate and preferences. Learn about popular table grape varieties and those suitable for winemaking to create the perfect vineyard mix. 3. Preparing the soil. Prepare your soil to provide the best environment for your grapevines to thrive. Understand the importance of soil testing and soil enrichment for healthy plant growth. 4. Planting grapevines. Follow our step-by-step planting instructions to ensure your grapevines get the best start. Learn the correct planting depth, spacing, and trellising techniques for proper support and optimal growth. 5. Watering and fertilizing. Understand the water needs of grapevines, particularly during their establishment phase. Learn about balanced fertilization to support robust vine growth and fruitful harvests. 6. Pruning techniques. Master the art of pruning to shape your grapevines and encourage fruit production. Discover when and how to prune for maximum yield and vine health. 8. Training your vines. Learn about training methods to guide your grapevines along their trellis system. Explore various training systems, such as the vertical shoot positioning VSP and the high wire cordon. 9. Harvesting grapes. Understand the signs of grape ripeness and learn the proper techniques for harvesting to preserve the flavor and quality of your grapes. Planting and cultivating grapevines is a rewarding journey that yields a bounty of sweet and juicy fruits.